especially if you're a Windows Quicken user and if you're not getting any sound at the startup of Quicken whenever you open your Quicken application, then this video is going to be for you. So before we dive into the main Quicken settings, we need to ensure that computer's main audio drivers are functioning normally. And to check that out, you can go ahead and maybe play an audio on your computer or maybe play a video. After over 2 decades, it's official, Skype is shutting down in May 2020. If your audio drivers are not functioning well, then you need to definitely go ahead and do a little bit of troubleshooting. And to do so, you need to go ahead and click on the Windows icon at the bottom, type Device Manager. This is the window that is going to be right there. This is your computer's device manager where you have all sort of drivers. And in this section, we need to look for the audio or sound drivers. And here you go. And click on the tiny icon, which will expand the sound drivers. I see all these audio drivers functioning fine. If you want to know how to troubleshoot Windows audio drivers, we will attach a link in the description. You should go ahead and watch that video about completely troubleshooting any audio problem on Windows computers. Moving ahead, if these two boxes are checked, we have no problem with the audio output whatsoever. Next step is going to be within Quicken itself. So go ahead and open up Quicken application. And before we go ahead and make any changes in Quicken, let's go ahead and find out if there is any possible update available for a Quicken application. So you have a button Help in the menu bar. From there, click on Check for Updates. In the next step, which is absolutely crucial and applicable to everybody and always recommended, go ahead and back up your Quicken data file right now. Click on File button. From here, click on Copy or Backup File. Especially these instructions are for the Windows users. In the next window, click Next and then create a backup. Now to check the possible audio settings in Quicken application, we need to navigate to the main menu. And in the left side top corner, the second option is Edit. Click on it. In the drop-down menu, the last option is Preferences. Navigate to Setup, and that's where you can find the audio and display settings. This is what is supposed to be enabled. Turn on even animation, and you can customize all these options. So I've got the sound now enabled here. So that is only the quickest setting that you have to enable in Quicken application, especially on Windows computers, in case you're not hearing any sound when you open your Quicken or when you close it. So if you found this video anyway helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button and also subscribe us for the future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. You're watching Crazy Editors. Have a lovely rest of day. I'll see you in the next one.